Did you know that you can create a website to sell your digital products in seconds? In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I made this website in less than 5 minutes only using AI. And we will also integrate Stripe payments so you can start selling your products instantly. And I will also show you how you can host this website online for free. So to make this website, it will cost you zero money. So this is actually insane. You can start pumping up your websites and you will save a ton of money from hiring freelancers to do your websites. So let's get started. So right now I'm inside the Gemini's AI, and what we will do, we will start with a prompt for our landing page. But first of all, you need to select tools and select canvas. That way you will start building your landing page instantly. So let's write the code for our website. Since you need a landing page, you need to write I need a landing page to sell my digital product, for example. It is an Excel 1000 templates bundle. I just made a mistake. Bundle. I need to have good visuals, and this photo is for reference. So what kind of photo? What you have to do is find a website you actually like. So for example, I like this linear website. This looks pretty cool, and we will have to give AI the image. So you can take a screenshot of a page you like, go back to Gemini, add files, upload files, and let's insert the photo of the website you like and you want to make something similar. So as you can see, I wrote that I need a landing page to sell my digital product, and it's an Excel 1000 templates bundle. I need to have good visuals, and this photo is just for reference. What I have to mention also, I need HTML code and a very good hero section with interactive effects related to math/Excel. In this example, the accent is Excel green. So once you give this prompt to AI, you should be having some kind of a landing page. I know it's not going to be perfect, so we have to make some fixes to it, but this is the starting point. So when you always create a website, make sure to insert a reference image, because if you give the AI opportunity to imagine everything for you, it will do it in their own way, and you want something that's more related to what you want. So in this case, insert an image. So as you can see, AI already started giving us some code. It's doing it pretty fast. So we're gonna wait a bit, like 2 minutes to 3 minutes, and it should have some kind of product ready. So it's been like 1 minute and we got a cool looking landing page already. As you can see, we got everything we just wrote. We got even a visual of showing some kind of a dashboard. And as you can see, we have the effect on the hero section. And good thing about it, I do think, yeah, it is interactive. As you can see, when I move my mouse, it's even interactive. And we got more sections, just giving info about the product. And it's the lifetime bundle, $49. So if you're happy with the product, go ahead with it. And if you want to make some changes, let me show you what changes you need to do. So first things first, optimize this page for conversions, add more effects, also add FOMO for 24 hours. So it's gonna add more effects, it's gonna optimize the whole page to convert more, and it's gonna add a 24 hours timer too. So with effects, timer, and also everything's gonna be optimized for full conversions. So it's been like 1 minute, and I think it added a little bit of more effects. It did add a flash sale and soon. It's not very optimized. We can make some fixes to it though. Also, this is sticky, so that's good. These buttons actually do work. We got the pricing even better. We got the frequently asked questions and reviews. So let's say we are happy with our product. As you can see, this takes us here. And let's say we want to get the instant access. It doesn't do anything. So the next step is adding the Stripe payments. So what you have to do is go to Stripe. And once inside Stripe, you need to create a product right here. Let's call it Excel 1000. 1000 just for this example. And the pricing one off, and it's going to be in dollars, and it's going to be $49. Add product. Now let's create a payment link. So let's select the product we just made and create link. Also, you can set up to that the payment will lead to some kind of new landing page or even a file. So it's really up to you, but you have to copy the link and say the buy button should lead to Stripe. And what will happen now? The AI will make the buttons actually work, and the person would be able to purchase your bundle, pack, course, actually anything. So let's just wait a second. So when we actually gonna click on the get instant access, we should be able to see the checkout page. We can see everything right here. We can insert our information, and a person would be able to purchase your kind of digital product. So if that's it for this website, you are happy with everything, what you have to do is go to the code section. And as you can see, your all code is here. So now we have to host this website online. So what we can do is Ctrl A and copy all of the code, then Ctrl C. Now, the next step is to create a folder and also a notepad. So I'm gonna just go real quick, open notepad, paste all of this code, file, save as, and I'm gonna name it index.html. And the next step is very crucial. You have to create a folder. So click on new folder. Let's call it web app, for example. Open it, paste it inside, and that's it. Now, the next step is to go to Netlify. So once inside Netlify, as you can see, we have a project right here. So you can browse or upload a project. So we have to upload a whole folder right here. So as you can see, we got our folder we just saved. And let's just upload it. Upload. That's super easy, and you don't even need any tech information. As you can see, we can see our website right here. So once we click on it, we got a full landing page in less than 5 minutes that's working. It's even interactive and it has cool effects. But the best part about it, the button does actually work, and it takes us to the Stripe payment. So isn't this insane? You just save like $100 for designers, some kind of freelancers, and you can do everything yourself without knowing anything about coding, not knowing anything about websites. And the best part, it's actually free. So the next step would be to add a domain. As you can see, we can see domain management here. We can add our own domain. So you can buy the domain for $10, add it right here, and we have a full working website all day long, every year, for free. So yeah, this is actually how you can build websites. You can even sell them for clients because everything is just starting out. Not many people know about it. So you can be the first one and dominate this niche because it is a professional website. And if you spend 10 more minutes, you can make it even 10 times better. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. In next videos, I will show you how you can actually make even better things, how to create an app using AI without knowing anything how to code. So please subscribe and I will see you in the next videos.